What is this? What is this? It's
designer. I'll let y'all see where I'm at right now. This is pretty incredible though. It's a private road. Some water. So on the way in, there's a sign that says Springs, and we have a creek, so at least I know this hike won't be, at least I know I have water. But I need to put on my bug shit. Never been here before. I just went on Google Maps and looked up a random area not too far from home. This is that random area not too far from home. So it's bear season, so I'm worried about bears, because I didn't bring my bear spray. Because I actually didn't think that we had this out here. It's crazy. So yeah, let me put my shoes on. Put my shoes on because I'm wearing slides right now. Just the smell. I love the smell out here. Alright, yeah, let's get ready to go for a little hike and charge this battery a little bit because GoPro sucks. GoPro stop recording. Oh, you hear the wind? Look at this. You know this tree looks sketch. Get the backpack and start going. Yes. Well, hey, don't look at me. Look at this. Looks like a rope swing damn near. Look at that. Or is it? Oh, that's interesting. I'm kind of thinking I passed the spring, because there's no water in this creek. No water in the creek at all. Yet, where I parked, is a flowing stream. See if there's water over here because all this green. Nope, dry it up. Oh. The trail doesn't say anything about private property. We'll see. Hopefully I don't get shot. I hope. So what's crazy is I heard something loud over there. I heard for a little bit, but I don't know where it went. I'm hoping it was just a freaked out bird. I'm hungry and thirsty. I should have ate before I did this. Should. Wine country shares bear and mountain lion territory. Out here is a black bear. And I heard bobcats are out here now. Actually, hold on. It's a low view. I don't know what, but it's probably what I was looking at on the way up here. But yeah, I heard there's bobcats out here now, which I don't know. What was that down there? I'm just like amazed how gorgeous it is out here right now. This is gorgeous. And look at the beauty that God created, man. I'm looking for a place to eat because I'm hungry. I'm looking for a ravine so I can go down and be by water, but I don't see one. I think the trail goes all the way up there too. I think. I don't know. I mean, y'all see the trunk. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see the strength of nature? Look at that. Ooh, what's that? Okie dokie. Remember I said bear country, right? There's the mark right there. Y'all see that? So, yeah, y'all saw that. I don't know how old that is. I don't look old. That really doesn't look old at all. Here comes a truck. Look over here real quick. Too bad these trees aren't strong enough to hammock on because I'm hungry. Look what I'm looking at. I'm gonna chill right here for a while, drink some water. I really want to cook, but I want to cook further up. I'm hungry though. Like all I had to eat today was a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Wow, y'all hear that? Listen. Ooh. I smell something dead and it stinks. Can I get down there? Yeah, I can. I'm so hungry. I'm hungry. And no, I did not eat over there. I didn't drink no water. I just sat, liked what I was looking at. Now I'm back up and going. I made that a home for a while. Something, dude. That, holy cow. Y'all look at that boulder? Or that's crazy. It's like something just gave up or fell down or something. See a little part of the trees hanging from it, like it's balanced, but it's, you know. Y'all see what I mean? Look at that. Like, to me, this is so dope. Like the beauty of the nature, but look at the power, the raw strength. That's just raw strength. Nature is so powerful, or nature is so beautiful, but as beautiful as it is, it's 100 times, it's 1,000 times, it's 1,000,000 times more powerful. It's insane. It's dope. I don't know what it is, but like, of course you hear the wind, but there's like a high-pitched scream coming from over there. I have no idea what it is though. Like, I can't say it was a cat, but it could be a cub. But it's loud. Sunlight. That was a creek. Yes. That's a dried up creek. It's hot. It is hot. It's dark. The hell is hot. RIP DMX. I was going to twist, but apparently not. Alright, I need to eat. I don't know how strong these trees are though. That's pretty strong. I see a tree over here. Throw the hammock up right there because I'm hungry. Whoa. I just realized this isn't a tripod, so I gotta figure out how I want to set this down. Because that view right there, that's a good view. That's a real good view. It's gorgeous up here though. About 15-20 minutes from Calistoga. Anyway, hold on. Uno is going to probably see this video. Uno, I'm about 15-20 minutes from Calistoga. That's Lake Berryessa right there. I want to say that's Pope Valley part, or not Pope Valley. Well, Pope Valley is down there too, but yeah. That lake over there is Lake Berryessa. I know that much. I don't know. So probably if I was on one of those peaks over there, because I know Lake Berryessa and Clear Lake, they have a creek that run into each other. So I'm believing one of those peaks over there, you can probably see Clear Lake. I want to say, because Clear Lake is only another 40 minutes from the north point of Berryessa, I want to say. So yeah, we're not too far from Clear Lake. At least I don't think. I know the north point of Berryessa, I can get to Clear Lake in about 40-45 minutes. I know that. Y'all, it's gorgeous out here. Shout out to I have a small one, but not as small as this. And when I saw his, I was like, yo, I gotta get one as small as his. Cause his is small. I thought mine was hella. But this stove, or this burner, I like it. Sorry. He realized he has nothing to start a fire with to cook his food. Realize I can't find my lighter. I normally put matches in here. I can't find the matches. I can't find a damn lighter. And my flint is in my other backpack. Missing my lighter. Come on, man. Be losing sunlight pretty soon, so I have to get back to the car. Enjoy the view. It's Calistoga, Santa Elinas, Rutherford. I think that's how you say it. It's time to get back to the car and head out. There's a sunset paddle that's going to be going on. I don't know if I'll be able to make it 6 something right now. We'll see if I can make it. Alright, it's time to go. I'm starting to lose sunlight, so let's get back to the car and head on home. I have to call my cousin, so even though it took more time than I thought, It's always a blessing talking to family. I love my family. Now we walking back. It's always a blessing talking to family, I'm telling y'all. So, wash my path home. Y'all don't understand how gorgeous it is up here, though. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of burnt trees, bushes, but it's still gorgeous. And as for lots of the gym. Y'all know how gorgeous this is. Remember I said it's too steep? You remember I said it's too steep to throw a hammock? It's pretty steep. See what I mean? This is where I was saying it was too steep to throw a hammock. Yeah. So nice. These are dope. That's pretty dope. I don't know what they are, what kind of plant they are, but I wonder, do they turn yellow first and then go red, or are they turning red and turning yellow? I don't know. I think they're blossoming red and then they turn to that. That's what I think. But man, it's nice. I need to educate myself on plants, I tell you that much. I used to know it as a kid, but as an adult, nope. I don't know it. The road is down there. Part of me just wants to cut down a huge part. Huge part. So that's the road. Like earlier how I said there's a dip and you couldn't see it. But now you can see the road. Whatever. I think where I parked at was a spring. That's what I want to say. because this is all dry. There's no water up there, which I was excited when I parked, because like, sweet, there's going to be water somewhere. There's none. So I think where I was at was a spring. So I'm going to check it out. Definitely want to check it out. It's so dope. The creek's right here. Don't look at me though. Look at this. George of the jungle. I had to do that. Forgive me. I'm at my car. Yeah. There we go. That's the car. So let's check out the spring. See that? I don't know where the water came from, but we got water. It's your boy True. If y'all haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. If you love the outdoors, or even if you like the outdoors, like the video, share the video. Get out there and enjoy God's beauty. Enjoy God's creation. Because this is what it's about. Yeah, don't get me wrong. City life is alright. But there's nothing better than getting out there and doing this. Whether you're by yourself or you bring friends. And trust me, with friends, it's a lot more funner. Well, depends on how you do it. Like, I like doing this by myself. But with the friends I do have that do go out, I have fun with them too. Family, definitely do this with family. If you have a girlfriend, spouse, or wife, whatever, kids, take your kids out. Take your family out. Do this. It's a blessing, y'all. It definitely is a blessing. It's your boy True. True Gemini is currently Gemini season. See, the water goes all the way down. But I think the spring was over here. You just smell life out here. Like, it smells amazing. I love it. Just take it in. God bless y'all. Deuces.
What is this? What is this? It's
Designer.